The photography world is heating up again, and this time, it's Canon's turn to steal the spotlight. After months of leaks, insider reports, and endless speculation, it looks like the Canon EOS R9 is finally on the horizon. And trust me, this might be the biggest mirrorless upgrade Canon has ever released. From a rumored 45 to 50 megapixel stack sensor to 8K 60 frames per second recording, lightning-fast AI autofocus, and next-gen Digic X Plus processing power, the EOS R9 is shaping up to be an absolute monster, capable of rivaling heavyweights like the Nikon Z9 and Sony A1, but that's not all. With a redesigned magnesium alloy body, dual CF Express slots, Wi-Fi 6E, AI-driven image processing, and improved battery life, Canon seems to be creating the perfect hybrid camera for both photographers and filmmakers. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. And the best part? Leaks suggest that it's launching as early as December 2025, just in time for the holidays. In this video, we're breaking down all the confirmed specs, leaked features, pricing details, and release date news surrounding the Canon EOS R9. This could be the camera that changes everything for Canon shooters. So make sure to watch till the end, because what's coming next is seriously impressive. The photography world is buzzing with anticipation, and this time, all eyes are on Canon's next big leap, the Canon EOS R9, a camera whose leaks, rumors, and insider whispers suggest nothing short of a revolution in Canon's mirrorless lineup. Reports indicate that Canon is preparing to unveil the R9 in December 2025, and the spec sheets circulating online hint at a powerhouse of a camera that could challenge rivals like the Nikon Z9, Sony A1, and the future generation of flagship video-centric bodies. If even half of the leaks are real, the EOS R9 may well rewrite expectations for hybrid shooters, wildlife photographers, and filmmakers alike. According to multiple sources close to Canon's development team, the EOS R9 is likely to debut with a brand new 45 to 50 megapixel stacked BSI CMOS sensor, marrying high resolution with blazing fast readout speeds to minimize rolling shutter artifacts and enable faster burst rates. The rumor mill suggests Canon's next-generation Digic X Plus processor will power the camera, enabling continuous RAW shooting at up to 20 frames per second with full autofocus and metering, along with advanced heat dissipation so the camera can sustain long shooting and video sessions without throttling. On the autofocus front, leaks say that Canon is extending its dual-pixel CMOS AF to a new AI-augmented system, combining subject recognition, people, animals, vehicles, insects, with predictive tracking and improved low-light sensitivity. This could mean that the R9 becomes Canon's most intelligent AF model ever, capable of locking on in challenging action or wildlife conditions where traditional systems struggle. The video capabilities also appear to be elite. Early reports point toward 8K 60 frames per second internal recording in 12-bit Canon RAW Light or Cinema RAW Light formats, along with 4K up to 120 frames per second 10-bit 4:2:2 for slower motion without compromising dynamic range. HDMI output is expected to support 16-bit RAW, and there are whispers of professional codecs and direct integration with external recorders for cinematographers seeking maximum flexibility. The body design reportedly builds upon the robust construction of the EOS R5 and R3 series, with a magnesium alloy frame, improved cooling vents, and a more refined grip. Leaked images show a 5.76 OLED viewfinder, a fully articulating 3.2 to 3.5-inch touchscreen,